we want to explain about Chapter 4, Profit Balance, Dividends, and Treasury Stock. Previously, I would like to introduce me to Elizabeth Ananda Della and my friends. There are Nur Emelia, Desi, Rofi, and Nur Hadiza. For the first material will be explained by Desi. Happy watching!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Desi Saryati. Here I will explain understanding retained earning and restriction on retained earning. Retained earning are accumulated profit obtained by company that are not distributed to shareholders as dividend and remain invested in the company. Next, restriction on retained earning. Restriction on retained earning itself is limitation or allocation of as portion the retained earning for certain purposes. Restrictions include the following 3 types. First, legal restriction. Limitation of the cash treasury stock over dividend due government regulation. Second, contractual restriction. Limitation on the asset for dividend payment as part of long-term debt agreement or contract. 3. Voluntary restriction. Appropriation of retained earnings for special purposes. Because of this restriction, the company can ask the entire retained earnings for business development. In addition, companies must also classify retained earnings into, namely retained earnings and retained profit balance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Haliza. Here I will continue the explanation from my friend about the dividends. Dividends are taken from retained earnings and generally do not use all profit to be distributed to shareholders. This was determined in the general meeting of shareholders. Consideration on dividend payment. 1. Meet the conditions set in the agreement with the creditor. 2. Meet the condition of incorporation of the company. 3. Meet the funding needed by the company in the context of further growth or expansion. 4. Creating a stable dividend distribution scheme. 5. Created serves to deal with potential losses faced by the company in the future.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rofi Rahimatul Hasanah. Here I will continue the explanation from my friend about the form of dividend. The form of dividend, the most common form of cash dividend is that the company distributes cash to shareholders at a certain proportion, referring to dividend distribution ratio for net income. Relevant date for shareholders to consider when distributing cash dividends. 1. Announcement date is the date of the GMS and announcement of dividend distribution. 2. Ex-dividend date is the deadline for confirmation of a transfer of share ownership, generally 2 working days before the listing date. 3. Recording date, the date of making the memorandum for recording cash dividends to identify shareholder entitled to dividends. 4. Payment date is the date of dividend distribution to shareholder. Next, basic cash dividend also have other forms include 1. Stock dividends, pro-rata share from the company correlated to its shareholder. If cash dividends are paid in cash, the stock dividends are paid in share. In Indonesia, share distributed as dividend are known as bonus share, so that shareholders get an additional number of shares after receiving stock dividends. The goal of 1. Make it easy for shareholders to get dividends without spending cash. 2. Ensures the selling forward the company share. 3. Emphasize that a portion of shareholder equity is permanently reinvested into the business. Okay, that will be continued by my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nur Amelia. Here I will continue the explanation from my friend about the form of dividends. 2. Property dividends. Dividends payable from company assets other than cash in the form of inventories, real estate, investments, and others. This is due to limited cash or the company has a large amount of inventory that has the potential to experience impairment. 3. Scrip dividend. Scrip is a promissory note or promissory note, or also can be known as a promissory note, a sign of willingness to pay a sum of money to stockholders within a certain period of time. This is because the company does not have sufficient cash. 4. Liquidation dividends. Dividends are based on other than retained earnings because this dividend is not based on profits and decreases the amount of paid-up capital of the company.
Hi, I am Elizabeth Ananda Della with NIM 18103131200033. Here, I will continue the explanation from my friend about treasury stock. What is treasury stock? Treasury stock are stock of the companies that have been issued and repurchased after being issued. Next. The reason companies do this is 1. To reduce tax. Inventor will pay less tax and receive cash when repurchased than when shareholder receive cash dividend. 2. Increase earnings per stock and return on equity. 3. Reducing the number of shareholders. Then, the claim of ownership of the company will be reduced and reduce the influence of outside parties. 4. Form a market for stocks. Stock buybacks can stabilize stock price on the stock exchange. 5. Stocks will be resold, employed, or distributed as dividends. 6. Stocks will be issued with other companies' securities. So, apart from the company being able to repurchase its outstanding stocks, the company can also sell back. Okay, that is all the explanation from us that has been presented. Hope you all understand and can be useful from all of us. Thank you.